Guys, in this video I'm going to talk about ratio and proportion. So let's start. Now let's say if you have the question, a jar contains a total of 200 marbles consisting of red and blue marbles only. If the ratio of red to blue marbles is 3 to 5, so the ratio is 3 to 5, then how many red marbles are in the jar? So we need to find R marbles. So the ratio is 3 to 5. So here you have R and blue, red and blue. So the total 3 plus 5 is equal 8. So you can write the ratio. So let's create three fractions. So first here you have 3, 5, and the total is 8 here. Here you have red marbles, and here you have blue marbles, and the total that is given 200. Now we need to find the red marble. So we write this fraction is equal to this fraction. So get r over 3 is equal to 200 over 8. Now we do cross multiply. 8r is equal 3 times 200 is equal 600. So now we divide both sides by 8. So we get r is equal 75. Now if you want to find blue marbles, you can write we can write r or 200 total minus r is equal blue. So 200 minus 75 is equal blue marbles. So we get 125. And also we can find blue marbles in another way. This fraction is equal to this fraction, so b over 5 is equal to 200 over 8. Now we do cross multiply. 8b is equal 1000, and we divide both sides by 8. So b blue marbles is equal 125. So this is the final answer. Now another example. Say if you have the question, a jar contains nickels, dimes, and quarters in a ratio of 2, 3, 5, respectively. If there are 85 quarters, how many more dimes are there in the jar than nickels? So first, let's write the ratio. We have four fractions. Here you have nickels, dimes, quarters, and total. And here you have 2, 3, 5, and the total of the ratio is equal 10. Now quarters is 85. That is given. Now we need to find the dimes and nickels. So this fraction is equal to this fraction. So we do cross multiply. So 5d is equal 85 times 3. 85 times 3 is equal 255. Divide by 5, d is equal 51. Now we need to find nickels, n. So this fraction is equal to this fraction, so we do cross multiply. So 5n is equal 85 times 2 is equal 170. Now we divide both sides by 5. N is equal 170 divided by 5 is equal 34. So n is equal 34. So the question, how many more dimes are there in the jar than nickels? So we need to write D minus N, 51 minus 34 is equal 17. So 17 is the final answer.